Storm Tracker weather starts now with Chief Meteorologist Curtis Grevenance.
All right, welcome back everybody. Good Wednesday evening to you all. Happy September once again. And what a beautiful day. However, smoke is increasing. See that right there, this little texture in the sky? That is wildfire smoke from Montana. More on that coming up here, but some fires coming back to life. 77 degrees, northwest winds 18 miles per hour in Helena. Great Falls, what a great looking sky. The air quality is good for most of the states and most of this area here. 72 degrees, west wind at 8 miles per hour, 60s and 70s. Nice start here with a lot of sunshine out there. Now, we had some smoke over the last few days, and that's mainly been coming from Idaho and Northern California. However, the fires that are active right now or emitting smoke include the Trail Creek fire, the Christensen fire, and the Alder Creek fire. These are all down close to the Wise River area, close to Wisdom, and we've got some good smoke plumes, and that's what you're seeing right now if you're watching from around the Helena area. Also, the Scarface fire into central Idaho, that one is emitting a pretty good smoke plume as well. So fire season is not over with yet here, and please be careful as we head into a big holiday weekend. We could use some of this moisture, but this is going to stay off towards the south. This is actually what's left of Nora, which was a tropical entity in the eastern Pacific, bringing some nice rain to the Four Corner states, and then it's not a nice rain up into the northeast, some major flooding and severe weather with what's left of Ida. Remember Ida that made landfall in Louisiana? Well, Montana, we probably can't really buy a drop of rain, maybe a shower into the central and eastern parts of the state here, southeastern parts of the state as we go through tomorrow afternoon and into Friday. But really, 95% of the state is going to be dry, not only through this weekend, which is good news for being outside, warm temperatures as well. However, because it's dry, that fire danger will continue to go up. It will be warm and windy also this weekend. Notice all the way through Tuesday and Wednesday, we're still not looking at much, if any, precipitation. Might not be until the next weekend. Here is the forecast for tonight. Maybe not as cold as it was last night, but there will be some frost on the ground in some areas. Out the High Line, yeah, nice little chill out there. Maybe right around 50 degrees in Glasgow, 30s and 40s in central Montana, and once again 30s and 40s around the Helena area. Here is the forecast for tomorrow. Good news is the wind will die down here. Temperatures will be great again in the 60s and the 70s. That wind dying down, hopefully that will allow those firefighters down there around the Big Hole Valley to get a little better handle on some of that activity that is picking up again on the Trail Creek fire, the Alder Creek fire, and the Christensen fire. But the air quality should be good for the entire state. For Friday, there's that little bit of some moisture around up Billings, maybe Miles City and Baker. The rest of the state dry and really nice though. Temperatures staying in the 70s for highs. For Saturday, we're up in the 70s and the 80s. And these little doohickeys right there indicate the wind increasing. We can have some gusts up to 25 miles per hour. And then Sunday, warm, 80s, dry, and windy. Maybe some gusts up over 30 miles per hour here. So probably some wildfire activity increasing in these conditions here this weekend. So next couple of days, lighter winds, continued cool temperatures here, but heading into Labor Day weekend and beyond, dry and warm with temperatures into the 80s and for Great Falls, 60s tomorrow, lighter wind. But watch that wind and fire danger this weekend.